Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I'm Nurul Ramadani from class 11 RPL4. I will explain the material Object-Oriented Programming (OOP) is a programming paradigm that uses objects and classes as fundamental concept for organizing and structuring code. It provides a way to structure software in a modular and reusable manner, making it easier to understand, maintain, and scale. The main principles of OOP are encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Let's explore this concept in detail. 1. Class and object. Class. A class is a blueprint or a template for creating objects. It defines the properties, attributes, and behaviors methods that object of the class will have. It serves as a model for creating instance of the class. Object. An object is an instance of a class. It is a tangible entity that encapsulates data and behavior defined by the class. Objects represent real-world entities and interact with each other. 2. Encapsulation. Encapsulation is the bundling of data, attributes, and methods that operate on the data into a single unit, i.e. a class. It hides the internal details of how an object works and exposes only what is necessary. Access modifiers like public, private, and protected are used to control the visibility of members, attributes, and methods of a class. This helps in achieving data encapsulation and maintaining the integrity of the class. 3. Inheritance is a mechanism that allows a class, subclass, or derived class to inherit properties and behaviors from another class, superclass, or base class. This provides code reuse and establishes and is a relationship between classes. Subclasses can extend or override the functionalities of the superclass. Inheritance facilitates the creation of a hierarchy of classes, making the code more organized and scalable. 4. Polymorphism. Polymorphism allows objects of different classes to be treated as objects of common base class. It enables a single interface to represent different types of objects and provides a way to handle them uniformly. There are two types of polymorphism: compile time, method of loading, and runtime, method overriding. Method overloading involves having multiple methods with the same name but different parameters, while method overriding involves providing a specific implementation for a method in the subclass that is already defined in the superclass. 5. Abstraction. Abstraction is the process of simplifying complex systems by modeling classes based on the essential features they share. It involves focusing on the relevant aspect of an object and ignoring the irrelevant details. Abstract classes and interfaces are used to achieve abstraction. Abstract classes can have both abstract unimplemented and concrete implemented methods, while interfaces only contain method signature without any implementation. 6. Association. Association represents a relationship between two or more classes where objects of one class are connected with objects of another class. It can be a one-to-one, one-to-many, or many-to-many relationship. Associations are important for modeling interaction between objects and capturing dependencies between different parts of system. OOP promotes modular, reusable, and scalable code, making it easier to design and maintain complex software systems. By modeling software entities as objects and using the principle of encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction, developers can create well-structured and flexible applications. So that's all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.